Hello, when we're playing Quizoid, the quiz app, and we're gonna play arcade mode. Let's try as fast as I can start. And 60 seconds. It is the following: broad bean, carrot, Nashville, Tennessee, Music City, Electro, country. Which color flamings usually? Turquoise. No, pink. Protein found in which human hair? Keratin. Yes, got one. What is the name of obtuse angle? Jaeger ozone. Oh, I forgot that. Ancho chips. Fish. Yes. Bruno Mars 5'9". Oh, place at birth. In which city would you found Asia? Beijing. Tokyo. What is ruptured during pregnancy? Umbilical cord. Amniotic sac. Summer. Winter. And time is up. I got 3 out of 11 question, and I'm going to make it again. New game. 70%. Earth. Male people. Buffet. Mammals about order. Night vision. Poaches. William Shakespeare. Bradford. Which code word in the NATO phonetic C? Charlie. Yes. The movie won Best BAFTA. Mad Max. The Revenant. I didn't know that. Budweiser. UK. Czech Republic. Terence Hill. Because that is the same name. 6. Which gas is highly flammable? Ammonia. Hydrogen. Segment of bedrock. Obsidian. German word Zeitiges. I need 50-50. 2 shots. Okay, lifeline. Oh, my time is up. I got 5 of 12 question. Better. Correct. 41.7, and buy and subscribe, like to my channel.